What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how we can use slicers in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what are slicers. So I have written some kind of information about slicers. So you can see over here the slicers are nothing but a type of canvas visual filters which allows the user to view only the information that they want to. These slicers are present as a visualization on the report, and with the help of these the user can select their values for analyzing the reports. So this is a small definition about slicer, and we can see the need of the slicer as well, like for what the slicer are needed. So we can see over here, as we know the slicers are present on our report, then it can be easily accessible for viewing the important information. By placing them onto the right place on our report, we can view a focused report. Instead of going to the filters, always we can easily view all the currently applied filters. So these are some important applications you can say about the slicers. So let's go back to our Power BI window and let's see how we can apply or how we can use a slicer in Power BI. So the dataset that I'm going to use is a sample data set provided by Power BI, which is a financial data set. So let's say I'm going to apply the size slicer over here. So first of all, you just have to go to the visualization pane and you have to select the slicer from there, and you can see over here after selecting the slicer a window is coming up. The window is all about the slicer, and you can drag and drop the values over there, like which values you want to slice it. So for example, I want to slice the values for countries. So let's say I am going to drag and drop the values over here, the country values, and you can see over here the values are taking place. Okay, so I am going to make a basic visualization over here. So let's say I am going to view the gross sales according to the month wise. So you can see a basic visualization is taking place over here. So I am going to increase it for our better view, and I am going to select a different chart from the visualization pane. So let's say I am going to select clustered bars chart, and you can see the visualization is changing. So with the help of slicer I can slice it. So I just have to the country. So let's say I would like to view the gross sales month wise for Canada. So you can see the changes are taking place over here. Okay, so let's, like this only, you can also slice some more values. So like this only you can also slice some more values. So let's say I would like to slice for France as well. So you can see it's selecting the single value, but you can select the multiple values as well, and you just have to press Control and you just have to click on to the second value, and I have selected two values over here, the Canada and France, you can see over here, and the visualization is also changing according to the slicer. So we can also do some kind of formatting stuff for slicer. You just have to click onto the slicer. I have already clicked on it, and you just have to go to the format window over here, and into the general you can see over here there are much more for formatting things are available over there, but we do not want that right now. So I just have to go to the background one. If you want to change a background color of our slicer, so let's say I would like to change it to blue, and I'm going to change it to blue too. You can say over here the changes are taking place, and if you want to change the selection controls as well, you can change it to like single select. If you click this one, you can see over here you can select a single value only, but we do not want that. So you just have to click it to off, and you can select the multiple values by just keeping this on, multiple select with Control. And you can also present the select all option over here. So you can see over here a select all option is coming up. So I am going to select it all, and you can see all the values are getting selected. So this kind of formatting stuff you can do for your slicer. So this is all about our slicer. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.